Hi, I'm Mike, and I'm president of a content marketing company. I give InVideo a 4. We started using InVideo a few months ago. Before that, we were using PowerPoint to create videos, which was a very difficult process, took a long time. I wanted to use videos more for my clients to help promote their products and for promoting some of the content that I created for them, like ebooks and case studies and things like that. And I couldn't have done that with PowerPoint because it just took so long to do the animations and put those videos together. I would have had to charge my customers a lot more than they were willing to pay in order to do that. So that's why we switched to InVideo. We went with InVideo because of a lot of the features that they have. They do a lot of things automatically for you. One of the things that I really liked is that it allows me to point at a piece of content that's online, such as a blog post, and it will extract snippets and quotations from that text and put them into slides as a starting place to start the video. And that really saves a lot of time as opposed to writing the script from scratch. Now, you do have to go in and edit all those, of course, but it actually puts together a rudimentary slideshow pretty much automatically for you. So that was a real big thing for us. It's similar to something that I do also for social media posts. I use the same sort of a method, so it was very familiar to me, and it works great. InVideo was pretty easy to get started. It takes a while to understand the interface, particularly because there's three different kinds of editors that you can use, and they all have different capabilities. It took a while for me to kind of figure that out and so forth. But once you understand how it works, it's pretty easy to use. There's a lot of functionality there. There's a lot of things that you have control over that you can use in InVideo in that interface. So bringing it on board was not too tough. I was doing my first video within a couple of days after I installed the product, and that's still in use. We're still getting hits off of that on LinkedIn. If you're considering a video program to use to create videos for your business, I would definitely look at InVideo as one of those choices. There's a lot of them out there, and everyone has different pluses and minuses. But I have found that InVideo allows me to select video clips easily and incorporate those. It has a lot of pre-built templates that help you get started really easy. It'll create videos in all different formats, as a square or landscape or different types of orientations there. And so it's pretty easy to get going and be productive right away. So if you're looking for something that you don't have to be a video expert in order to use, then I'd say InVideo might be a good choice, something to try out.